Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really pretty maroon fall type of look. I think it's perfect for Thanksgiving, perfect for the holidays. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to be pinning my hair back because otherwise it'll be in my way whenever I'm applying my foundation. And I'm just going to be using these clips. They're called the No Bend hair clip. And I purchased them on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them for you guys on the description box. I really like how it doesn't give you, a little crease on the hair. So just like that. To moisturize, I haven't moisturized my face, so I'm gonna be using the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. I don't like that I got a little pimple right here and I'm like breaking out. I'm not really sure what is causing me to break out. I did get a exfoliator, a facial exfoliator from BoxyCharm from October, and I used it like 3 times, and I don't know if that's what caused me to break out. And then for primer, I'm just gonna let that kind of sink in, but for primer, I'm going to be using the my go-to, which is the Tarte Quench, and this is the Rainforest of the Sea. I recommend it if you guys haven't used it. It's like, I use it like all the time. I always buy it. Okay guys, so I got my foundation on and I went ahead and contoured a little bit with some cream contour. I haven't contoured my nose, so I'm gonna get to that in a bit. But I'm gonna be using this Pretty Vulgar face palette, and this is a Nesting Bee Face. I got this one from BoxyCharm and I thought it was really cute. Ooh, I just got my nail on it. Let's see. Oh, I accidentally stabbed it with my nail. But I'm gonna be using this shade, these 2 shades, to just, set my contour in. So this is called the Sunkissed Snitch. I really like the names on it. It's really cute. So it's Glimmer of BS, Hush Blush, Ego, Son of a Bee, Mirror Mirror, and Sunkissed Snitch. Snitches get stitches. Okay, sorry. Ooh, I think I found my new contour palette, like powder. I really like how it comes out. I hate my little baby hairs, always get in the way. Sorry if my voice sounds a little like deeper, it's just that I'm a little sick right now. It's not COVID because I did get tested and it came out negative, thank God. So it's not COVID, but yeah, I'm just a little sick, so just bear with me on my voice being a little off sometimes. So I'm gonna be using the same palette for blush. I'm gonna use that at the end of the video because I like to see how my eye look turns out, and from there I know what kind of shade I wanna do for my blush. So yeah. Next I'm gonna be doing my nose contour, and for my nose contour I'm gonna be using the Wonder Stick from NYX, and it's in the shade, I think it's 03. I'm gonna be applying it right here. Like that. And then I'm gonna also be applying some concealer so that I can blend that out pretty nicely. And a little bit more concealer right here. I feel like I need a little bit more right there, so I went ahead and applied some. I'm gonna just let that sit in right here, but for my nose contour, I'm gonna be using the contour nose brush from Morphe. It's the MO, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna be it's like, oh my god, I always get so nervous when I'm doing nose because I feel like I can always mess up at like some time. Like, I just hate it. And I'm just gonna smudge it in pretty much. And I went ahead and brought it out like this to my eye so that whenever I do my eyeshadow, it will connect to the contour. And I'll be grabbing the palette one more time to set the contour in with the powder. Nose contour, like, it gets me so nervous sometimes because I'm not that good at it, to be honest. Like, I'm trying to get better at it, which I feel like I'm kind of like getting better at it slowly, but yeah, we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so I'm gonna be grabbing the shade Son of a Bee, and I'm gonna set this in now with that shade. And I feel like it's looking a little better, I hope. Just bear with me, you guys. I promise this is gonna come out better. It just takes time. Didn't really want to like show it to you guys, but what the heck. And next I'm gonna be going in with the sponge and just bringing it down like this. Ooh, it's looking better. Okay. Oh, I like it. Okay, I feel like I can still get a little better at it, but I like it. Not bad. Okay, so now that I applied my contour, and I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm running really low on this, as you guys can see. Oh my gosh, I need a new one. And I'm just going to be grabbing my beauty sponge and just applying it. But I'm just gonna, you know, bake it up a little bit. And where my concealer is at, I'm gonna be grabbing the edge of the sponge and I'm just gonna be applying it like that to brighten it up. And now for that part of my face, I use the Kat Von D, but I don't know why I sometimes also like to use the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder for the rest of my face. So I'm gonna grab this setting powder brush and I'm gonna be pretty much applying it all over my face just to set my foundation. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I have not set them yet, but before I get into that, let me just tell you guys how upset I was with myself for never buying a brow setter from Benefit. Like, I would never set my eyebrows. Like, I would literally just do them and boom, like they were like this already. But yeah, honestly, I've been into the whole fluffy brow trend, so like you guys don't understand how freaking obsessed I am with this. Like, this is really, really good. So I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know, just in case y'all ever were kind of like me that would never set their eyebrows. And yeah. Okay, so that's just as fluffy as I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna brush these up a little bit and fluff them out as well. So I'm removing my powder. For eyeshadow, I'm thinking that I'm going to be using the Carly Bible from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love this palette so much. I love these colors. They're just so like perfect for like an everyday type of look. So I am going to be dipping into this palette. And to start off, I'm going to be, let me see. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be using the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to be dipping in the shade Chai. And I think Chai is like really cute. He seems like such a sweet little boy. If you guys know who Chai is, that's her cat. And I'm going to be applying that on my crease. I'm going to be also bringing it into my nose contour. Like I was telling you guys that I like to connect my eyeshadow to my nose contour at times. gonna kind of be bringing it out just a little bit, like that. And okay, so I'm gonna be going in with my Real Techniques brush, and I already dipped some in, sorry. And I'm gonna be going in with the shade Stev. I think that's how she said you said the name. But I'm gonna be dipping in, and I'm gonna be applying it on my eyelid. I'm gonna start going a little light-handed right here because I do want to apply a little bit of red on it, but not like a lot like on. And I'm gonna flip the brush this way, and I'm gonna start bringing it out to the outer V. I'll be doing the same for the other side of the eye, and I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already applied it on this side. I'm gonna go back in with Chai, and I'm gonna be blending it in with Stev. I'm gonna be going in with Aura with the shade right here. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so with the same brush that I used for the maroon shade, I'm gonna just go in and kind of blend it out a little bit. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna be going in with the maroon shade and applying it on the under eyelid. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going back in with Chai with my little blending brush, and I'm just gonna be applying it under the shade, under the maroon color and the maroon shade. And I'm gonna be doing little circular motions. Okay, so next I'm gonna be grabbing the shade Moo, and I'm gonna be applying that on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, and then also on my brow bone area right here. Well, next I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here. I think it's Bowie, and I'm gonna be applying it as my eyeliner. I'm using this brush right here. Okay, so I applied the eyeliner. I'm gonna be doing the next eye off camera. Okay, so I applied the little eyeliner with eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying some black eyeliner to my waterline. I'm gonna show you guys the difference so that you guys can see how it looks whenever you don't apply it on your waterline and you put lashes on. It does not look cute. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Sorry, that's just like blowing at me. It's just that, man, with this lighting that I have, it just gets really, really hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the difference already, but I do. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty mascara, and I'm just gonna apply it on my eye, on my lashes, not on my eyes. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna be using the velour lashes, and I got this one at Ulta. I like how it comes with the little lash glue as well. Whenever you apply lashes, you don't want to just apply the glue and automatically put the lashes on. You want to wait about 15 seconds for the glue to kind of get sticky, so that when you do put them on, you know, it just sticks right into your eye. Okay, so I applied the glue already, and I'm just gonna apply it. So I applied it, but do you guys see the difference? How there's a gap? Here, let me go ahead and zoom in. How there's a gap, like right here it's like really nice and black, and then right here there's like, clearly you can see my waterline, like there's a big gap. So it's really important for you guys to be, you know, putting eyeliner right there because it does not look cute. Okay, so my lashes are on, and next I'm gonna be putting some bronzer on and then some lipstick to complete the look. I'm gonna be grabbing my little brush for blush, and I'm gonna be going in with Hush blush. It's like perfect for this eye look in my opinion. Ooh, I like it. I love how blush like just completes the look like a lot. I went ahead and grabbed the Carly Bible palette and dipped in the shade Mood to apply some highlights on the bridge of my nose. Okay, so for lipstick, I do want to do a nice nude shade. I'm going to be going in with this liner. I now grabbed the lipstick from El Maquillage, and this is in the shade Libra. And I'm just going to be applying that on my lips, creating an ombre look. But I'm going to be mixing in Serious as well, which it's really like sad that I have this much left. They're like my favorite lipsticks. Okay guys, so this is it for this makeup look. I love how it came out. Let me go ahead and just show you guys a little closer. I'm obsessed with how it looks. I think it's perfect for like fall, but yeah, definitely fall vibes. I definitely had a lot of fun filming this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know also what other type of tutorials you would like to see, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!